This was the kettlebell swing. Now let's discuss what is the basic behind the kettlebell swing. Kettlebell swing is an exercise based on momentum, not based on strength or power. So when we talk about the momentum, it is just to make sure that your body starts repeating the same movement back to back. Now to start with, how to do the kettlebell swing is when you start the kettlebell swing, we come in the deadlift position where we are making a good hip hinge. So initial start of the kettlebell would be a pull. That is a manual pull what we will be doing to make sure that we get a pull, a force, and we will be just pushing it through the body to give the momentum. When the kettlebell starts coming back to the body, the time when your hands touches the groin, you have to make sure that you have to maintain that momentum. So you'll flex the hip so that you are letting the kettlebell go down. When you start feeling that hands completely attached with the groin, all you have to just create a hip thrust. The hip thrust means to just create the pressure from your glute muscles to push it against the kettlebell. This is what the technique behind the kettlebell is. So quickly a demonstration about kettlebell swing again. So from here we'll be starting with the initial pull. So this is the initial pull. When we start initial pull, the time it comes to the closer to the body, all we have to create is the hip thrust. It is the same hip hinge. So pull in, out, in, out. So the time it is touching my groin, I'm just giving the hip thrust. Now this is what the kettlebell swing is. Now how to get that range of motion? See, it's all about making sure that you have to make your hip hinge well, so that you can feel that lengthening of your hamstring, letting the kettlebell go down. Keep an eye on the kettlebell, see where the kettlebell is going. The time when you see that the range of motion is getting back more, you feel the tension on your hamstring, just create that hip thrust. And that's what the kettlebell swing. Again, pull in, out. Keep an eye, in, out. In, out. Now breathing pattern. Again, it's not about pulling through the shoulder, it's about creating the tension through your hip muscle, through your posterior chain, engaging the posterior chain. It's not about how much you can push ahead, it's not about how long you can sustain the kettlebell swing. So this is a small quick explanation about kettlebell swing. Keep on working hard, be fab.